Hey everyone, it's Ed Kime, CEO over at Quantcha, and welcome to the July 12th, 2015 News and Updates video. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the new scanners and views that we've added to the platform over the past couple weeks. These fall into primarily two categories. The first are the top gainers and losers from a given day. These are stocks that have moved at least 7% in one direction or the other, and a lot of times this results in a signal that's pretty clear. Obviously, if a stock's popped up 7%, you're looking at a pretty bullish sign, and the same for downward momentum. There are some things in our UI as well as things in the trade scanner, and depending on how you're approaching Quantcha, you'll interface with one or the other. And similar to the gainers and losers, we also added a scanner and UI for 52-week highs and lows. A lot of people like to trade off the 52-week highs and lows, tend to expect continued movement in the same direction, and so we're making that easier to do. So we're going to take a quick step over into Quantcha. This is the dashboard landing page. You'll see we've got the top gainers and the top losers here. Top gainers, you can see we show 5 on the front page here, and if you click through to view more top gainers, you can see a whole bunch. These happen to be the stocks that have moved significantly over the last trading day. And just like we have here for the top gainers, we do the same for the top losers, sorted by how much they've lost by. And you can click through, for example, if you wanted to start getting into and finding your trades just like you would anything else, and quickly see the different options. Now, in addition to that, we have on the Quantcha Trade Ideas site a bunch of different things for the 52-week highs and lows. Now, these trade ideas come up throughout the trading day, and this determines when it sees something. In this case, there was a 52-week high for target. And when it recognized the 52-week high for target, at the time it was trading at around $84.02. The 52-week high for the day was $84.33, and it had traded in a more limited range, or obviously traded below that over the past year. Now, given that bullish indicator, what we do is we go out and we look for a bullish trade that would close profitable at or above the current price. So in this particular case, there was a bull spread that was recognized, and in this case, the recommendation would have been profitable at or above $83.90. And so if you went out there and you placed this trade, as long as the stock didn't come down below that 52-week high more than that difference there, you'd be looking at a profitable trade. Now you can see these. You can track the different trade ideas from Quantcha, whether you go directly to the ideas.quantcha.com site, or if you follow us on Facebook or Twitter or StockTwits, all that stuff gets published up there, and you could be among the first to know. And so we wanted to say thank you for the continued support of the platform. And if you've got any questions, please hit us up in the comment section below or at hello@quantcha.com. Thanks and happy trading.